Hey guys, it's me coming from Kevin's World, and today is a very, very, very special day. We reached 100 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I never thought this day would come, but we reached 100 subscribers. Oh my god. So today, we're doing just to make a very special day, and what's super trendy right now on YouTube is we're doing a Bratz dolls challenge. Not challenge, just we're gonna do turn myself into a Bratz doll and to look gorgeous. So we need to start with the foundation. Get some on your little brush and just start applying into every little crevice on your face. And yeah. Okay, so after 20 minutes of doing my foundation, trying to get a mirror, trying to get this computer for the picture, trying to use my sister's phone for the mirror, but then my phone didn't work, so I used my sister's phone. So it was a time. But now it's time for doing the outline of the eye. So you kind of want to go from like the tip of the nose and going out to here, like that, and go directly above your eye. Sort of like that, and I'll finish it, and I'll tell you when I'll show you when I come back. So here's the first one. So that's the outline of the eye. The eye is supposed to be big and weird looking, and then I'll do the other eye. Alright, now I'll go back to you when I finish with that one. Okay, so let's now do the eyelashes. So they're supposed to be big and dramatic and like that in a way. It looks super good. Actually, not to brag. And I don't think it matters if they're uneven. Nothing's supposed to be perfect. And yeah, see? And let's do just a teensy bit of the under lashes. See? Look like a Bratz doll already. Okay. So after that, we're going to do our eyeball. So this eyeball is blue. So you want to get a brush. I have my whole bag of brushes. You want to get a decent sized brush. You want to get your color, because mine's blue, so my eye's going to be blue. Mixed with a brown eye, I think it'll look gorgeous. So then you want to get your color, and you want to make a giant circle under your eye. Just like that. Okay, now do the other one. Like that. Okay. And then you want to fill them in. Alright, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so after you got the eyes done, you have to make them look stunningly big. You want to get the black for a little pupil, right, just right in the, like in the top corner, like on the top. Make it a circle. Cause like, it's like adding an eye extension. You need to make your eye a lot bigger. See? Alright, and after that, I'll show you what we need next. Alright. Okay, so after we did that, I just added some wings to make it pop out more, just make it spicy, just make it look gorgeous. So next we want to add the whites. So just add the white around it to make it look like you have eye, like, because you have white around your eye, right? Whoa, that looks real good. I have to say so myself.
Wait. Close your eye. Huh. Interesting.
Wait, should I do a blue on top of my eyelid so when I close it? Okay, I'll do that.
Whoa.
I'll make it darker.
Yeah.
And I'll put that blue.
Whoa!
Okay, so I'll go back to you. I'll make my eyelid blue. Put more of the dot on it. Oh, this will good. Okay. Okay, so we did an eye. So I'll show you right now. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'll go like a total Bratz doll, and here I go. Did I look like one?
I mean, sort of. It's. Whoa. I don't know. It's weird.
I like it. Okay, so next we need the eyeshadow part. It's like on the picture, the girl has yellow eyeshadow, those like 2 spikes. Okay, so you want to get the yellow eyeshadow. Just got mine on a little brush, and you want to like make it like go. Something like that. I'm making mine through the eyebrow to be extra and just to be special because I'm very sure no one has done that before. Okay, one more. Okay, that one looks, we think I want that one to be a little bit more thicker. Okay. Yes. So that's the eyeshadow. And the last step we need is the giant lips. So we need the giant lips.
Are you gonna like draw like eyebrows? Bratz doll eyebrows?
Yes. Let's do that now. So you're gonna get your brown or whatever eyebrow color you want. And you wanna get a, let's do this brush. Ooh. ASMR. Okay, you're gonna get your brown, and kind of make, cause one of the picture has like rainbow. Okay, this is a very watery brown. It's probably not Jeffree Star approved, so that's why. There we go.
They're not even at all.
Well, is that why the Bratz dolls got banned? That's probably why. Okay. So we're done with the eyebrows. I'm gonna dry that, and next up we're gonna do is a big old pink lips. So we got the pink, and I ran out of brushes to use, so I'll come back with a good brush to use. Okay, so it's time for the lips. I found a great brush. I cleaned all my other brushes to get one. And now I'm going to do the lips. It's pink lips, so I got the pink, and it hasn't been opened yet, so now it's another ASMR time. Hold on, we need to get it open. Okay, here it goes. Gorgeous. Okay, so when you get your brush, you got that, and I'm going to get my mirror, and just want to make it like a perfect little big lip. Hold on. This is really liquid too, so it's probably not Jeffree Star approved. Needs to be a little like thicker. Oh, it must be my brush because my brush just wet. That's still no excuse. It tastes like a swimming pool.
Ew.
Alright. Okay. There you go. There's my lips.
Oh my god.
See, I'm a total Bratz doll. So, here is my Bratz doll look. And thank you guys so much for getting 100 subscribers. I thought I would never get to this at all. Never and ever. And I want to say thank you so much for all subscribing. I hope you like and subscribe this video. I'm hoping to get the 200 subscribers. And if this doesn't get me on Ellen, I don't know what will. So if Ellen, you're please watching. And I hope you like and subscribe. Have a fabulous week. And yeah. Thank you. Bye. Okay, since I got 100 subscribers, I have to do a giveaway. So if you're a fan and you're from the beginning or you just subscribed, it doesn't matter at all. So just like I'm gonna do an all giveaway. I'm gonna do 3 signed autographs, and the first 3 people who comment and go to my school or I know where you live will get an autograph. So be the first commenters, okay? Bye.